With a grant provided by the Mid-South RC&D, the Macon County Soil and Water Conservation District purchased fish from Southern Pond Management to stock the fish pond located on Tuskegee National Forest. We got bluegill, red ear sunfish, grass carp, and something else.
Pretty.
They kind of look like a mullet.
They do. That ain't gonna work, is it?
Don't you fall. I had to tell Tim.
And a largemouth bass.
I mean, that one almost jumped like he wanted to jump out.
It worked.
Just for doing circles and backstroke.
Yeah.
One really interesting thing was that the gentleman put a mixture inside the water that made the fish a little bit calmer, as you can see. And it looked like they were a little drunk too.
No, we're good on water temperature. I was just checking that.
What temperature needs to be?
Well, the pond's 82, my holler's 83, so we're just long within about 6 to 8 degrees. Well, we're in good shape. I do have weighs sexy fish. As you look at this, they got 2 holes. It's the back hole. This one is a female. This one is a male.
Okay.
See that perfectly, the back hole is kind of like perfectly round. Well, on this one it's more, she hold still, it's more triangular shaped. That's a female. And that's a male. But that's really the only way you can tell them. And it gets harder later in the year. In the spring you can tell it pretty easily. But that's a female, that's a male.
The U.S. Forest Service assisted us in this project as well. Some of their interns helped along with the NRCS interns. We helped put in the feeder. And we also helped provide the feed as well. And you know I had to get in on the action as well. Check me out.
I just close down there before I keep them jumping over everything. It's easier on everybody.
Oh, look, isn't he pretty in there? Look at it.
Appreciate you watching. Check out my YouTube channel. Go to it. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Tell somebody about me. I appreciate it.